Hi guys, welcome back once again to my channel. So today I wanted to do another video with another palette from ColourPop. I recently did one with the Strawberry Shake palette, which featured a lot of pink and like red hues, and I really liked how the look turned out. So today I wanted to try one with the Lilac You A Lot palette. This one, as you can assume, has a lot of purple hues. I did mess around with it a little bit already, so I have touched the palette, but the colors are so pretty. I'm actually obsessed. Purple isn't really a color that I mess around with quite often, or that I even really have many clothes that are purple, if any. But I love this palette. I thought it was so pretty, and I just had to try it out. ColourPop's palettes are actually really cheap. I actually got a few of them on Black Friday weekend, so they were on sale, but even regularly priced, they're a really decent price. So even if you're not the best at makeup, which I'm not, it's definitely worth it to grab these palettes because they're cheap, and even if you don't look the best or your look doesn't come out as great as you hoped it would, you didn't spend that much money on the palette, so there's really no loss. So just as I did with the Strawberry Shake palette, I can't really tell you what kind of look I'm going for today. I'm kind of just going to mess around with the colors and we'll see what comes of it. So again, I prepped my face ahead of time, so I'm not going to do that on camera, but there's plenty of great primers out there, and even if you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can use concealer or even some kind of powder that'll give your eyeshadow something to hang on to so that it stays on your eyes longer. So the first color that I'm going to go with is called Zoned Out. It is this one right here, just to cover my whole eyelid and give it a base. So just like the Strawberry Shake palette, this palette is also very pigmented, so even like the smallest bit of eyeshadow on your brush will give you a lot of color. Next I'm going to try something a little bit different, and I'm going to go with the color Imagine That. And this color will go on the outer part of my eye. Again, I don't really know what I'm going for here. We're just going to play around with some colors and see what I come up with at the end. And then, since so far I've used two matte colors, I'm going to use a shimmer, and I'm going to go with Fluff, this middle one. And then for the inside of my eye, I'm going to go with the shade Cloud. And then lastly, for underneath my waterline, I'm going to go with the color Filtered, just to try and change it up and try something new. And lastly, for eyes, I'm just going to go back over it all, make sure it is all blended out evenly. So far so good. This is definitely a different look. I will do the rest of my makeup and we will see if anything needs to be touched up. So give me a second to do that. And so there you have it. There is my final look. It actually came out pretty decent. I like it. I really can't believe how pigmented this eyeshadow really is. The smallest bit of eyeshadow goes the longest way with these palettes, which is so great considering you're only spending a couple dollars for these palettes. So knowing they'll last you a long time makes it even better, and the quality is so great. Like I'm honestly shocked with how good this turned out, especially for someone like me who, you know, I'm no makeup professional, as I say in every video. And this just goes to show you that makeup shouldn't and isn't just for people who, you know, are makeup artists or professionals or have gone to school for all this. Anybody can use makeup. Practice makes, not always perfect, but practice makes pretty darn good if you ask me. So yeah, I'm really excited with how this turned out, and I'm excited to try even more palettes in the future. If you have any palettes that you would like me to try and put together a look with, please let me know, because I'd be more than happy to check out the palette and see what it's like. And again, the name of this palette was Lilac You A Lot. You can see the colors, so pretty. I really can't get over it. I will leave a link to this palette in the description below if you want to check it out. It is definitely worth it, especially if you like bright, pretty colors. And if you like videos like this, you could always check out the other videos on my channel that feature different kinds of makeup, or you can head over to my blog at unbreakablebliss.com and you will see all the articles. I have it all divvied up on there with the different topics, whether it be fashion or beauty, makeup, lifestyle, whatever. Everything can be found on unbreakablebliss.com. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. And if you click the bell, you will be notified whenever I post. And make sure you follow me on social media and all that fun stuff. And until next time, see you guys.